There's that woman. Damn that woman. All right, you're following us.
I'm following you?
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Every time I look over my shoulder, you're right there.
This happens to be a free country, Mr. Witherspoon. I have just as much right to be here as you do.
There, you see? You know my name.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You just called me Mr. Witherspoon.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did?
Yes.
Oh, come on.
Now, who are you and what do you want? Look, you see? You upset my uncle.
That would be a pretty good trick considering his condition.
What?
My card.
Ms. Annabelle Glick, representative of the Universal Dog Home of Brooklyn.
We were your late uncle's favorite charity.
Oh, don't tell me you've come all this way for a handout.
I have come all this way for the money, Mr. Witherspoon. All $6 million of it.
But I accepted the terms of my uncle's will. And here I am, you see, carrying out his wishes, so you people have lost.
Not yet. We haven't. Not by a long shot. You see, there's a loophole.
Loophole? What loophole? Where?
Well, when we received our copy of the will and tape, I noticed how detailed it was. All those social activities, all the things he wants to do and buy and wear, specific times to be specific places.
I'm doing the best I can.
Yes, but make one little slip. You arrive somewhere 1 minute early or 1 minute late, put a pink flower in his buttonhole instead of red. You mess up one little detail, and according to our lawyers, you'll be in default of the will.
What?
Make one little slip, Mr. Witherspoon, and I'll take your uncle, finish up the rest of his vacation, and that money goes to the dogs. So you might as well give up.
Give up? Give up, you must be joking.
I am not the kind of person who makes jokes about serious social issues. The home is in desperate need of funds.
So am I.
You don't understand, the home will have to close down.
Fine by me.
Charity begins abroad.
Will you excuse me?
Look, Mr. Witherspoon, let me give you the big picture. There are dogs in despair who need shelter and care and who don't have a bone to chew. You have pink satin sheets, they spend nights on the streets. It's the dogs, it's the dogs versus you.
What?
We are down on our knees, braving rabies and fleas. It's a job someone has to do. We